Hello everyone, welcome to my channel USKK Share, and today what do I have for dinner? So today little cook. Alright, we have the rice, pour the waters and wash it off, and then we're going to clean it well and turn on the stove. Alright, and all the way high. See, you can see it turn all the way high, and put the pot on it and let it sit about 15 minutes. And then I turn on the gas stove outside to cook the other thing. You know what it is? Well, we got a dry fish, so this is a mud fish, and fry with the vegetable oil and let it sit there about 5 minutes, and then later on you will be need to turn it over other side and let it sit 5 minutes. It will be very well cooked. It won't take long, this dry fish. Okay, this is a mud fish, only mud fish we can make dry fish. Hi Bambi, what you doing here? What you looking at, Bambi? What are you looking at? Hungry? So it's almost well done. So right now it's time to put on the plate, and we'll be done. They won't take long to cook this. Like I told you, about 10 minutes, but you have to watch out it's not overcooked. All right. Here is 2 more to go, and then we finish it, and we will have a good dinner today. So full of fried fish, and turn off the stove and look at the porridge. We call it porridge. We put a lot of water into it and white rice, and almost done for now. Just keep boiling. You let it sit for 15 minutes, but the fried fish is done. All right, put on the table how it look. It look good, huh? Ready to serve. You guys want to try? So, and my porridge white rice is well done. So put on my dish and ready to put on my dish, and ready to serve, right? You guys want to try too? Well, this is the Cambodian way, so I had a simple thing for my dinner here on the table and ready to serve and enjoy myself. Alright guys, that's all about it. We'll see you guys the next video. If you guys like it, please help me to support my channel and click subscribe, but don't forget to click the bell too, and then you can miss the next video I upload to my channel. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye now.